Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Count cells that contain specific text. Look, again, this is an ugly looking spreadsheet, but there's a lot of stuff I need to cover here real quickly. What we're doing, we're going to use a COUNTIF. We're going to use SUMPRODUCT twice for search feature and find feature. Now, why? Because the find is case sensitive. The search feature is not case sensitive. Does that matter? Well, yeah, because we're counting text. Let me just go over this quickly here. ISNUMBER search. We've gone over this a number of times. We have this unary. We're taking the text and we're converting it or coercing it into a countable number, hence the sum. The find feature, it's self-explanatory. Anything case sensitive, based on the criteria, we're going to count, otherwise we're not. Now here's the screwy thing. I'm bouncing over to the COUNTIF. This COUNTIF, when we're trying to count this number thing, is an absolute nightmare. We're using a wild card here in the COUNTIF. Our range is B5 to B15. Anything with an A, we're counting. So we have 5. Well, we have ABC, ABC, uppercase, lowercase. We have 5. The next argument is, how about ABC explicitly? With COUNTIF, it's not case sensitive, so it's going to count everything, and there's a count of 5. Now, we want a count of 1. I'm going to try to go through this as quickly as I can, but this is a friggin' nightmare. Here's the situation. We have a general. Go up here to the end of the ribbon, you're going to have general. Okay, this number right now shows 1, 2, 3, and it's not counting. What if we change that to text? Well, now it shows text, and it's not counting. I don't know, I'm probably in the wrong cell. So what if I put 1, 2, 3, and it's counting? You're saying, what? It shows text. I just entered 1, 2, 3. Does that make any sense? No, it doesn't, because 1, 2, 3, well, it's formatted as text. What if we go to general? It shows general. This is saying it's text. Let's go convert to number. See, this COUNTIF won't count based on this wildcard situation. We put an equal sign in here, equals, we put in 1, 2, 3. When you're messing around with nightmare situation, I put an equal sign. You would think that this would be read as a number. But here I have 1, 2, 3, and we're getting this error. Number is formatted as text. Let's put convert to number. And see, it doesn't work. If we change this over, if we go over to text, you have to re-enter the number. 1, 2, 3, and it will read this deal. And it says store number as text. No, I don't want to convert this to a number. So get rid of the equal sign, go back and hit 1, 2, 3. You could see this nightmare situation with Excel. Go back to text, and you can go and you can do this all day long. Moving on, SUMPRODUCT. Here, we're using search, not case sensitive. You can just work through the information. You could see that it spits out the correct information. What we have here with this one number is screwy. Okay, it's picking up any part of the 1, 2, 3. Convert to number. Here we have a general. We have number and we have general. It's still counting. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and it's still counting. Let's go text. Go back and hit 1, 2, 3, and it says text. It says 1, and it's still counting. And this says general, which is fine. And then we have convert to number. See, with the SUMPRODUCT, it could be text, it could be number, and we're fine. But we go up here, the COUNTIF, it just gets a little screwy. You're going to have to convert this back over into text. Remember, hit text. You have to go back and hit 1, 2, 3 for it to work. In terms of case sensitivity, you can use the find feature and you could see the difference in terms of the output. If we're looking for A, it's looking for lowercase a. If I put lowercase in somewhere else, say for this Z, it'll count it. Reverse it, Control Z just to get out. XYZ, case sensitive. You can see, I'm just curious here, if we put an A here, what would happen? It's still picking up the 1 here in the SUMPRODUCT find. and we're not using wildcards. So keep that in mind. You can see where wildcards can get a little iffy, Control Z, because I keep stating, if you get a little confused, read the syntax over here, and then practice, practice, practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.